2012 Ford Escape. Here's a very nice vehicle, small to mid-size SUV in fantastic condition. Ford Escape is Ford's small to mid-size SUV. This is an XLT four-wheel drive V6, so very nicely equipped, very good drivetrain, and it only has 95,000 miles. Just a very, very nice 2-owner, 0-accident SUV. Very, very hard to find in a beautiful Toreador Red Metallic color in just fantastic shape. I'm just going to try and do a quick video walk around here to give you an idea of the true condition of this vehicle and to try and point out any of the blemishes on it and what exactly this vehicle is. As I mentioned, it's in this fantastic Toreador Red Metallic paint color. Just really a beautiful paint, really pops in the sun, just really looks good. Looking at the front here, it's in nice shape, no major chips or scratches or anything like that. Not all bugged out. One little rock chip right here, but it's not very big at all, so it wouldn't take much to do a little touch-up spot on that. You'd be good to go. Just overall a very clean vehicle. All the panels and bodies in very, very nice shape. Very, very straight all the way around. One small hairline scratch right there. Probably would buff out. Just really in excellent shape. Hood's in nice shape, no hail. Once again, just a fantastic color. Down the driver's side, it's in good shape. A couple of water streaks here, nothing of issue. Just very, very clean. Trying to get picky here, but it's hard to. This vehicle really is in just great shape. Plenty of cargo space. You can fold these seats down to make it a full flat area, which is nice. Okay, let's jump on the inside and look at it. Turn down the air conditioning here. It's ice cold, which is important and is very, very nice. The XLT comes very, very well equipped. It's not going to be like a limited where you get navigation and leather and everything else, but just really good value for the money. You get a sunroof in this particular one, which is really nice. Very seldom do you see that in an XLT. You get, of course, Bluetooth hands-free, so you can listen to your music or talk on the phone, as well as an AUX and USB input there. This one does come with a Ford dealer add-on remote start, so that's nice as well. It's factory, so it works well. You do get automatic headlights. You do get all of the steering wheel controls, of course, cruise control, that type of thing. So just a very, very good value. You do get a power seat as well, so that's nice. Just an extremely good bang for your buck. Like I said, it does have AUX, does have Bluetooth, and does come with, of course, AM, FM, and a satellite Sirius radio. So nicely equipped with that. Once again, only 95,000 miles. Do a quick key cycle here. Just really runs and drives great. This little 3.0 Duratec V6, sorry about that. It's just a very well-known Ford engine. It's been around for years. Plenty of zip for this size of SUV. Most of these actually come with the 4-cylinder, so this one's actually very much of an upgrade. So great confidence when you're on the road, because you have plenty of power. Of course, being 4-wheel drive, it gives you that confidence all year round in all the weather and all of the conditions you may be in. So just a very good drivetrain. Pretty fuel efficient, rated I think at 23 or 24 on the highway. I think you can get better than that if you drive conservatively. Of course, being a V6, if you are always into it, you're going to get a lot less than that. But if you drive not with your foot to the floor all the time, I think you can get all of 23 or 24 out of it. So pretty fuel efficient for an SUV of this size with a V6 and 4-wheel drive. Let me back out here. Looking at the seats are in really great shape. No staining, no discoloration. Smells good in here. No odor to speak of at all. Just no major tears or rips or anything like that. All the bolstering is in nice shape. And the driver's rear seat, the back seats look like they've hardly been used. They're just in really, really great shape. There's nothing to complain about at all on these seats. So that tells you what kind of owner. Carpet's in good shape as well. Tells you what kind of owner it was. You can keep your seat in that nice of shape all the time. Probably kept the rest of the vehicle in that nice of shape all the time as well. So once again, just passenger rear seat here, just really great shape. Has all the floor mats, has the owner's manual, and everything else, and the passenger seat. Once again, just very, very nice shape. Trying to get as close as I can here just to show any stains, anything like that. There just is nothing on these seats, so just really great shape. Once again, full mat all the way around, all 4 mats. So sitting on Goodyear Assurance tires. Very good tire. They're in like new shape in all reality. They roll great, look great, and they're just a very high quality tire. So good set of tires on it, and it's ready to go. So it's very nice shape. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos McPherson. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. And we look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever way we can, whether it's on this vehicle or something else. So feel free to get in contact with us through our Facebook page, through our website, eaglecareautos.com, or feel free to subscribe to our YouTube to keep up to date with all the vehicles we have coming and going. And thanks so much for watching.